this is Chuck from Minuteman Press of Town & Country in Tampa, Florida. Today I want to talk about how to know if your image files are the right resolution for printing. So now our printers will print at 600 dots per inch, or DPI, and the way to tell if your files are big enough is to open up your File Explorer. Now this is a Windows system. I don't know too much about Macs, but I'm sure that it's pretty similar. So let's assume we want to print this sunset right here. So I'll hover my mouse over the file and see where it says dimensions. It says 4641 by 3094. So that's my pixels. So I have 4641 pixels horizontal and 3094 pixels vertical. So let's assume, well, first let's assume we're going to print at the highest resolution, 600 dpi. So let's see how big of a print that we can do at that resolution. So let's open our calculator and we'll clear that out. So it's 4641. That's our that's how many pixels it is across. And let's divide that by 600, which is the DPI, which is the maximum DPI that we can print. So this says that we can print at 7.7 inches at the highest resolution. You can also do it other ways. You can, like, let's say you want to print it at 6 inches across. So you can say 6 times 600, which means you need a minimum of 3600 pixels across in order to print at that resolution. You can also find out what resolution your prints will be at a certain size. So if let's say I wanted to print this same file at 10 inches. So what I can do is I can say, let's see, we're at 4641. We're going to divide that by how many inches we want to print, so 10 inches. So it's 464 dpi. So if we print this at 10 inches, it'll be printed at 464 dpi. So if we had, let's say we had an image that was 1200 pixels across, and we wanted to print it at, say, 6 inches, we'll say 1200 divided by 6, that equals 200 dpi. So now the question is, what is the highest resolution that you can print at to get a quality image? And that's something that's kind of difficult to answer because everybody has different ideas. Everybody sees things differently. Some people will print something at 100 dpi and think it's okay. Now, in my opinion, I think that you can print at 300 dpi and you would hardly even notice a difference. At 150 dpi, I think that would be okay, but you would start to notice a little bit of a fallout in quality at that point. So anything less than 150 is probably not desirable. So that's about it. If you have any doubts, you can just have one printed and see what it looks like. Thanks for watching.